Here's a sales secret that you need to know. It's more work to be bad at sales. A lot more work. When you're trying to sell something, instinctively, you want to talk a lot. You want to passionately describe your product, yourself, your company, your features, your benefits. You want to push, push, push. All this enthusiasm that you and I have has a tendency to make us come across as pushy, and pushy salespeople don't go far. Considerate salespeople do. We just did a really interesting study at Easton University. We took our top performing students and we watched them. And here's what we learned. The people that were making over $500,000 a year, $1 million plus a year, what they've discovered is it's not about you showing that other person how much you know or how great your product is or how awesome your software or solution is. It's about them having this cathartic experience and talking through their pain. When they truly understand their pain, their problem, why they want to get this solution, you actually become more like a therapist, and it becomes so easy for someone to buy from you. I want you to think about that secret. How much am I talking? And is my excitement coming off as pushy? If it is, it's probably costing you a lot of money. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.